Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. It's a vlogging series, me rambling what's going on. I am back from my short break. Yesterday I started working on the ogres for my D&D campaign. Then we'll be working on other stuff later on as well. Subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy the video. Leave it down in the comments. Any question want to ask, can I answer? Stuff like that. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord link down below in the link. So yeah, took a week off, and we got BMO back. Had to fight the veterinarian. That was something that I truly don't understand. When a cat has cancer and four cysts is bursting out of her skin and her belly, telling me that she's still lively. I'm like, yeah, she's still lively, but she's uncomfortable and pain. She acts like this right here because she's in the vet, not at home. Home, she does do well. But well, BMO's back. We have the box, urn, everything else. But it's ridiculous. Is that's $530 just to cremate her, urn, and a paw print. But it is what it is. Um, Yeah, that was a uneventful day last week. I think it's that Monday when I made the video. Um, we Persona 3 came out last week. I played Persona 3 all week. Last week on my break, I beat it, platinumed it. Uh, yeah, it's like 80 hours to complete everything. Got my ass kicked by Elizabeth multiple times. I could not beat her. So I just made a separate save file. So I just watched some YouTube videos, see how you beat her, because she's a very difficult boss fight to beat. Tell you the truth. Yeah, but I do enjoy the game, and we'll be getting Final Fantasy VII Rebirth by this weekend. It says February 16th we'll get the collector edition box from Square Enix. So we'll be getting like a week or two earlier than everyone else that's going to be getting it. So I don't know if I'm able to live stream it early or I have to go to live stream it during on my secondary channel once it's everyone gets it. So I'm gonna have to find out because I did not want to get a strike or whatever on my secondary channel. The link for that's down below as well. I might take another a week break just to beat Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. Just to let you guys know, I don't know because I don't have a PS5 in this office. It's downstairs in the living room, and I do not want to carry back and forth the console and hook it up and unhook it up and stuff like that. It is just really a pain in the ass just to do that. But I am gonna have to set a time because I need to paint throughout the Final Fantasy because I haven't painted anything last week. I bought a huge Eldar set that my local gaming store. I'll be working on Eldars after I'm done with my Chaos Space Marine set. We have two more things to paint on that. Then I'll be working on the Eldars. I am actually printing the heavy Scorpion tank right now from Forge World. That'll be the main focus point. Then I'll have the Eldar Knights and the Avatar of Cain and so forth. I don't know why I want to work on Eldars. If that was interesting, was Eldars or the Taus? So I'll probably gonna work on the Eldars first. Then I'll move to the Taus. They'll be between the Taus and the Dark Eldars. Then that now add in like what you call it, Croots, then Old World, Warhammer Old World. I'm saving up till the summertime to buy an Old World box set, probably Tomb Kings. I don't know because I could just 3D print all that for really cheap. It's just that I just want the actual model. I don't want to print it in resin. It's just very time consuming when you print it and you clean it up, stuff like that. Everything adds up, plus time as well. So that's probably going to be it for the Warhammer portion of it. After I'm done with the ogres, we'll do trolls, then goblins, then back to orcs. The orcs will be painting will be more like World of Warcraft orcs for it, then bugbear and chimeras and owlbear. That'll be it for the D&D portion. Then we'll be going to like humanoids, like elves. We're going to need a lot of elves and halfling and gnomes in my campaign for it. Kind of screwed up. Gave my gave my players a flintlock pistol, even though it's spelljammer. Uh, Probably a bad idea, but that's okay. They're level one. Every time they shoot, that next turn they have to reload the damn thing. So, and they're very squishy. So if they piss off the wrong monsters and stuff or character, they can probably die in one or two hits. So, early in the game, I shouldn't, but it was Spelljammer and they crashed into a planet due to the fact that a murder comet went and hit the Spelljammer ship, the merchant Spelljammer ship, for that. So we are going to get stuff done for a lot of the painting and scheduling for a lot of the shorts because all my shorts videos are like poof gone now because it took the week just to do stuff for it. I'm enjoying the channel growth that are happening right now, and TikTok as well is growing really well on TikToks and Instagram and everything else for it. I'll be starting school in summer or fall. Most likely the summertime in March. I'll be setting up the school and everything for it, so that when March hit, in summer or fall hit, once I start school, schedule will be a lot different. I'll probably have very fewer videos due to the fact that I'll be going, learning, getting my degree, and I'll be able to get more stuff while going to school, like a better 3D printer, better camera, and so forth as well, and paying off a lot of credit card debts that I've racked off recently for it. We have some Kickstarters that's coming up. I might look into doing a review for it. I do not know. I don't know if you guys have reviewed the collector edition box as well. Um, it is one of those things that I just do as I go because this is just a hobby channel for it. But other than that, everything is smooth, loosey goosey. I'm relaxed, and I do want that freaking Fanatic paint. That's probably the first check I'm gonna use from school to buy a $750 freaking dollar paint set that everyone's like talking about, and because the pigment's so good on that as well. Well, anyhow, that'll be it for my rambling. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Thank you guys very much. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.